Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare FastAPI versus Django REST Framework. FastAPI is known for its incredible speed, often performing several times faster than DRF, making it excellent for high-throughput applications. Django REST Framework, on the other hand, offers a complete, batteries-included solution, building upon the robust Django ecosystem. FastAPI uses modern Python features like type hints, while DRF integrates deeply with Django's powerful object relational mapper, simplifying database operations significantly. Moving on to key features, FastAPI shines with its automatic interactive API documentation, generated from your code using OpenAPI and JSON schema standards. This saves developers significant time. Django REST Framework provides a rich set of built-in features, including robust serialization, authentication, and permission systems. FastAPI also offers excellent asynchronous support, enabling highly concurrent applications, while DRF leverages Django's vast and mature ecosystem for comprehensive solutions. When considering use cases, FastAPI is an excellent choice for building high-performance microservices and real-time applications, where speed is paramount. Its lightweight design also contributes to lower resource consumption and easier horizontal scaling. Django REST Framework is perfectly suited for complex, data-driven web applications that require rapid development and a full-stack solution. DRF also benefits from Django's strong security features and a well-established, reliable deployment pipeline. Finally, let's discuss the learning curve and community support. FastAPI generally offers a gentle learning curve, especially for those already comfortable with modern Python and type hints. Django REST Framework, while powerful, can have a steeper learning curve due to its extensive features and Django's specific conventions. FastAPI's community is rapidly growing and highly active, whereas Django REST Framework benefits from a very large, mature community with abundant resources and long-standing support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.